morning, everybody. Deck Andy Deck with Nazi, Z Deck Man, Dr. Decks coming at ya. We are doing some super duper not so epic stuff. We're organizing the trailer. So yesterday we pulled everything out of the work trailer and it was a huge mess. We had this whole area just completely stuffed full of everything from the trailer, and right now this is the remainder of what was left. We're probably about 75% of the way through. We're gonna finish up the organizing, get everything put back in the trailer, and then we've got to figure out what to do with all the stuff that we took out of the trailer. All right, and if you guys wouldn't mind clicking that notification bell, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We would appreciate it. Any feedback, recommendations on future videos, or questions, we will do our best to get back and take you guys up on those. So thank you very much. Trim screws. Yeah. Look, we're even going Dr. Decks with it. Silver on black. That's how we do. Since today's video is not very epic and kind of boring, we're thinking about things to talk about, or, you know, ways to make the video entertaining. And on my way to work this morning, Andy got pulled over by the state patrol and I got a speeding ticket. I'm not gonna say how fast I was going. I think I was going slower than what the cop said, but the cop was super courteous. He was nice. He was really quick about it. He gave me a ticket for 5 over, and I'm gonna pay it. I'm not gonna fight it. I'm just gonna take care of it. That was this morning. I still got a smile on my face. I'm still here, rocking out the organization, killing it for Dr. Decks. That's what we do. Bad dog biter. All right.
Those look like the old school.
Those are concrete bits?
Lunch pail. I don't know if I can open it.
That's the kind of stuff we have. That's the kind of stuff we have in the trailer. That just using up space, you know.
Yeah.
It's so stupid.
Don't working. Oh. Hello? Nazi? Are you there? Pan over to him.
No, what
I know you're there, man. I heard you. You're not coming through. What's happening?
I don't know. What's going on here?
I needed an assessment on this paint, and I need to know whether it's black. Can you see that? What was that? Over?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Are you kidding me? I hope you can do something with that, bro.
I don't know what you can do with that.
Don't worry.
Yeah, he's okay. All right, back to work. Back to work. That was fun. Good smiles. Staple stuff.
This is how you know it's authentic here on this channel. We show everything. It's part of the process, you know?
What's in that 5-pound jar? Collated finish nails. What? We have finish nails that I didn't know about? What?
They're from Finland.
Oh, this whole time I thought we were out of finish nails and we weren't. Believe it or not, I did not have another 5-pound jar, so I'm going Andy with it. And we're going to make a jar. Dun, dun, dun. We're not done yet, guys. Chill out. We obviously...
Hello?
Yeah, I'm looking for the Z-Man. Is the Z-Man there?
No.
What? What'd you say about chicken noodle soup?
Oh, yeah, I don't think we have any of those.
Cheesecake? Yeah. Love some cheesecake.
Oh yeah, I don't think we have any of those.
What kind of cheesecake? Chocolate and peanut butter. There we go. There's a combo you can't go wrong with.
Oh yeah, I don't think we have any of those.
Yeah.
No?
All right, you tell the Z-Man to get on that.
Okay. All right, bye.
Dude. We are down to this stuff right here. This crate, that crate. And then as soon as I've gone through this, then it's just the regular stuff that we take in and out. So every time we set up a job and then leave a job, we have all the cut hub stuff. And then we have all these boxes. So our cooler, stuff to wash the deck. And then this is like our main set right here. Who uses Phillips drive screws? This is the new top of the line drdecks caulk gun. For only $9.99, you can get the best, the top, the highest quality caulk gun. Alright, we're basically there. Like, pretty much done. I've got one little router or hole saw thing to put away, a couple of parts of the cut hub, and then this is going to be the trailer when everything is unloaded for a regular setup.
Clean.
All right, everybody. Deck Andy Deck here. We are wrapping things up, pretty much finished. We've got Nazi, Z Deckman. He is organizing some fast and faster plugs. And we've got a lot of them, so a little bit of a tedious job, but that's pretty much the last thing that we have left. We killed everything that was out of the trailer, organized it, took a bunch of stuff out that we now have to find a place for inside the shop. But as far as the trailer goes, pretty much done. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and following along. If you guys found anything useful in the video or you just enjoyed watching, go ahead and click that subscribe button, become a part of the Dr. Decks team, and then like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate you guys very much. Have a good day.